Okay, today is Canada Day. Beautiful day. The sun's not shining too much, but I come up here to do laundry this morning. It was about 8:30, and here just see some water on the floor, and of course I do a little investigation, and it was dripping right from here, and of course you can see this tub is full of water. So what that means is the mixing valve for this wash machine needs to be replaced. Now, I shut the shutoffs off here. Now it might work good again. I'm going to use it. It might work good again for a long time, or on the other hand, it might give a problem, so we can't trust it. So that's it. I'm going to use it and just watch it, make sure it doesn't run over. But that's it. That's just a little record of what happened this morning. I don't know how serious this water is, how much leaked. I'm going to mop it up. So, okay. It's back over in here, so I don't know if it went down the walls or not. I can't say. All right.